Microsoft Excel is a registered trademark of Microsoft Office products, and I am in no way, shape, or form affiliated with Microsoft Office or Microsoft. Okay, today, kiddies, we're going to actually try and create an Excel form for an account, okay? What we want to do is create a spreadsheet that works with whatever type of accounting information or whatever type of information you want to put in it, right? So what type of information would you want in an account spreadsheet? Well, you might want contact information. So why don't we go ahead and put in some information here, like first name, last name. You want the street address, city and state, and the zip code. Now notice when I actually went and did this, I tabbed over to the different columns, okay? We're just going to take some hypothetical information here. Say we'll use my first name and my last name, and we're going to live on 4501 Bob's Road. Now notice when we did this, Bob's Road kind of got covered up. What you can do is actually spread that out a little bit so you can actually see it a little bit better. We can put in some more information. Again, Hamersville got covered up, so we want to kind of open it up a little bit so we can actually see all of our information that we got in there. That's just a little bit of the information we can put in here. You can also format your information to make it look pleasing. You could select all of these as headers and bold them, make them a little larger maybe, so that they stand out. Again, you notice how the last name got kind of covered up. You might want to make it a little bigger. First name got covered up a little bit. And that's basically how you set up a spreadsheet to keep account information.